Welcome to an in-depth review of SPOD, a leading print-on-demand platform for dropshipping entrepreneurs. SPOD is designed for those seeking fast and reliable production of custom products, with one of the industry's quickest fulfillment times, 48 hours or less for most orders. Their user-friendly interface allows you to create personalized designs through a robust suite of tools, making it ideal for both newcomers and experienced sellers. SPOD integrates seamlessly with platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and others, enabling efficient store management and streamlined order processing. With SPOD, you can access a wide range of customizable products, including apparel, mugs, and accessories, offering high-quality options for your customers. One standout feature is the mockup generator, which allows you to visualize your designs on products before committing, saving time and ensuring satisfaction. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. SPOD also boasts competitive pricing and flexible shipping solutions, making it an appealing choice for scaling your e-commerce business. They offer shipping across multiple regions, with clear pricing tiers to suit various budgets and business sizes. Whether you're just starting out or expanding a successful store, SPOD provides tools and features to optimize your workflow and deliver high-quality products to your customers efficiently. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more insights and tips on dropshipping success. Like the video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends.